Revolution in chip production, how robots are transforming microelectronics. Welcome back to Tech Dream Gear, your one-stop destination for the latest insights into groundbreaking innovations and futuristic technologies. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of microelectronics to explore how robots are revolutionizing chip production. This isn't just about making chips smaller or faster, it's about transforming the entire manufacturing process, ensuring precision, efficiency, and a glimpse into what the future holds. Grab your favorite tech gear, sit back, and let's unravel this technological marvel together. Microchips are the heart and brain of modern electronics, powering everything from smartphones to cars, medical devices, and even space exploration tools. But have you ever wondered how these intricate, wafer-thin components are made? The traditional manufacturing process, while groundbreaking in its own right, faces challenges as chips become more sophisticated. This is where robots enter the scene. With advancements in robotics, AI, and automation, the microelectronics industry is undergoing a seismic shift. In this video, we'll discuss the pivotal role robots play in chip production, from raw material handling to wafer fabrication, and the final assembly. We'll also look into the implications for industries, economies, and everyday consumers. Why traditional methods fall short. The traditional chip production process, often referred to as semiconductor fabrication or fab, involves multiple intricate steps, including photolithography, creating patterns on silicon wafers, etching, removing unwanted material, deposition, adding thin layers of material, doping, altering electrical properties, packaging, encasing the chip for practical use. While these methods have served us well for decades, they're now grappling with 1. Increasing complexity. Modern chips, such as 3 nanometers or even smaller, demand unparalleled precision. 2. Rising costs. The machinery and cleanroom environments required for traditional fabrication are expensive. 3. Error margins. Human involvement, even in highly controlled environments, introduces the potential for errors. How robots are changing the game. Robots are the heroes of the modern chip production revolution. Here's how they're transforming the process. 1. Material handling and precision placement. Before wafers even enter the fabrication process, robots ensure that raw materials are handled with absolute precision. They can identify defects in raw silicon, precisely align and position wafers for optimal fabrication, reduce contamination in ultra-clean environments. 2. Automation in wafer fabrication. Robotic arms, combined with AI, execute photolithography, etching, and doping with micrometer precision. This ensures consistency across batches and reduces waste. Advanced robots can monitor real-time data to adjust processes dynamically, operate 24/7 without fatigue. 3. Packaging and testing. After chips are fabricated, robots assemble and package them for integration into devices. Automated testing robots ensure that each chip meets stringent quality standards, performing thousands of tests in seconds. 1. Enhanced precision and quality. Robots eliminate human errors, ensuring each chip meets exact specifications. 2. Increased efficiency. Round-the-clock operations mean production lines never stop, dramatically increasing output. 3. Cost reduction. While the initial investment in robotics and automation is high, it pays off through reduced labor costs, minimal waste, and faster production cycles. 4. Scalability. Robots can adapt to new designs and production requirements, making it easier to scale production for cutting-edge chips. Challenges. High initial costs. Building a fully robotic production line can cost billions. Dependency on AI. Robots rely on advanced AI algorithms, which require constant updates and maintenance. Potential job displacement. Automation may reduce the need for human labor, impacting employment in some sectors. Opportunities. Innovations in AI and robotics. Continued advancements will make robots even more versatile and affordable. Emerging markets. Countries investing in semiconductor production can leapfrog with robotic solutions. Customized solutions. Robotics enable the production of chips tailored for niche applications, like quantum computing or bioelectronics. Robotics in chip production doesn't just affect manufacturers, it has far-reaching implications. 1. Economic growth. Countries leading in robotic chip production will dominate the tech industry, influencing global economies. 2. Technological advancement. Faster, smaller, and more efficient chips accelerate innovation in AI, IoT, and renewable energy. 3. Environmental benefits. Robots optimize resource use, reducing waste and energy consumption in production. Conclusion: the future awaits. The marriage of robotics and microelectronics is more than a technological upgrade, it's a revolution. As robots continue to redefine what's possible in chip production, we're entering a new era where devices are smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Thank you for tuning in to Tech Dream Gear. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of robotics and microelectronics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.